Black Friday is the most competitive retail weekend of the year. For our client, a leading home furnishing retail in the tri-state area, the challenge was clear. How do we turn digital attention into real store visits and do so better than ever before? With a reputation for quality and service, this family-owned furniture company has become a premier destination for our home furnishing across Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. Their goal? Deliver great furniture at fair prices and exceptional shopping experience. With a strong regional presence and high-quality products, the brand needed a digital strategy to boost awareness of its stores, locations, promotions, and products, all before the holiday rush. We launched a Performance Max campaign across Google's Pull network, search, display, YouTube, and maps, leveraging micro-conversation data for remarketing, applying seasonal bid adjustments, and integrating store visit into conversion tracking. We connected online engagement to real-world sales. The impact was remarkable: 10.39% clicks, 204% conversions, minus 6.31 cost per acquisition, and conversion rate up from 7.7 to 20.7. This is how data turns into real performance. At White Shark Media, we help businesses transform data into measurable success. See how our digital strategies turn performance into profit and visit our website and let's grow your business together.